And on deck to serve, we have jersey number 3, Labe of Team Camalaniugan. Nice receive there by Ataban. An overset. And a miscommunication there between Gavino and Ataban. And the first point will go to Team Camalaniugan. Cuatro para kay Javier. Viloria will give that free ball to Team Tuguegarao City. Bumalik, and now Gavino is asking for that. Viloria on the top spin attack. Malana. Back row attack. Just sails that ball out. Ayan, medyo natawa pa sila dahil humingi ng set ang setter ng Team Tuguegarao City, which is Gavino. And now setting up to Ataban. Nice pick up there by Labe. And a free ball. Viloria will swipe that ball. At tuloy pa rin ang rally. Nice block there by Oganiza. And a push. And nahanap ang zone 1 ng Team Camalaniugan, courtesy of that swipe by Oganiza. And now the setter, Gavino, is on deck to serve for Team Tuguegarao City.
Service error there coming from Gavino. And they can't afford to have error, especially lamang ang Team Camalaniugan. Antonio with a great service there, and Ataban giving a free ball for Team Camalaniugan.
Nice pick up there by Labe. Viloria will try on that opposite. And a chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. Litawa with that off the block point, challenging the blockers of Team Tuguegarao City. And 4-1 is our score. Ataban committed an attack error. And now sa unang part ng game, medyo nangangapa ang Team Tuguegarao City. And nag-breakfast po ba sila? Sir Josh?
I think nag-breakfast ng mga to. Sama ako sa chat group nila.
And another unforced error there from Team Tuguegarao City. 6-1 is our score. Team Camalaniugan is up by 5. And Antonio still continues to serve for Team Camalaniugan. But that one is a service error for Antonio.
And that will be a breather for Team Tuguegarao.
Oganiza on that heavy serve. Too much angle on that hit by Litawa. Jersey number 17 of Team Camalaniugan.
3-point lead for Team Camalaniugan. And the coach of Team Tuguegarao, Ate Lynn, is watching.
A free ball now for Team Tuguegarao City. De Leon. Nice chase there by De Libero. Pero hindi na naiangat ni Remigio, the libero of Team Camalaniugan. What a serve there by Oganiza. Narrowing down the lead by 1 point. 5 serving 6 is our score. Giving a free point to Team Camalaniugan. And now on deck to serve, we have jersey number 18, Labao of Team Camalaniugan. Also, a service error committed by both teams. And now Ataban is on the service line. Let's see her jump serves. Nice effort there by the libero. Javier. Litawa, same cross-court attack. De Leon, too much angle on that middle attack. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 6 is our score. Viloria, the team captain, to serve. Setting up to Javier. No blockers. Labe in the middle. Nice chase there. Nice effort for Team Tuguegarao City. But the point will be given to Team Camalaniugan.
3-point lead for Team Camalaniugan. 9 serving 6.
Gloria is still serving. Javier with that standing spike. Middle, De Leon with that off the block hit. 9 is our score.
Ate RR is now on the service line. Service ace coming from Ate Relin Malana. Nanonood na. Kanina nandito lang si Camille Bakay at saka si Vernie Danao.
And now a service error is committed by jersey number 3, Malana. Nice receive there by the libero. What a lucky point for De Leon using the tip of the net. And now she is on the service line. Isang puntos na lamang po ang inahabol, pero De Leon committed a service error. Click po sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Camalaniugan. 11 serving 9. Javier with that swipe, and nakita ang butas sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. 10 serving 11. Javier is on deck to serve. And that ball sails out. Again, 2-point lead for Team Camalaniugan. What a down the line hit there coming from Viloria, the team captain of Team Camalaniugan.
Camalaniugan now with the 3-point lead. Medyo maganda ang opensa at depensa ng Camalaniugan. And if Tuguegarao would like to win this match or this set, they need to watch out for the attacks. Kailangan nilang bawasan din yung error na ginagawa nila. Diba, Kuya Dean?
Ayan, tama po, Sir Josh. And grabe ang pinapakita ngayon ng Team Camalaniugan. Medyo bago lang sa akin kasi ever since Team Tuguegarao City, kapag ganitong first set, lagi sila yung nangunguna sa mga puntos. And now, they are down by 3.
Yes, pero katulad nga nangyari kahapon at katulad lagi natin sinasabi, bilog yung bola.
Yes,
diba?
tama, Sir Josh. Now Ataban is asking for it. And that off-speed attack is good for Ataban.
Tingnan natin kung naka-adjust na ang Tugigaraw after that timeout. Kamalanyugan is still up. 2 points against Tugigaraw City. Overset.
And a regalo para kay Oganiza. And now still serving. We have jersey number 11, Gavino. Nice serve there, targeting the hands of the libero. And now we are tied at 13.
Apakabigat ng service na yun. Hi kay Sir Jam Magno, go Kamalanyugan, sabi niya.
Again, Gavino challenging the libero of Team Kamalanyugan. Same spot. And still good for Gavino with that heavy serve.
And Tugigaraw City is now has a 1-point lead. 14 serving 13.
Again, a back-to-back aces for Gavino. Hindi pa rin
Third service
nakayanan.
ace.
Yes. Still targeting the libero of Team Kamalanyugan.
And if they want to stop that attack coming from the service line of Tugigaraw City, I think they need now to cover Remigio. Somebody from Team Kamalanyugan should now cover Remigio to stop the service aces coming from Team Tugigaraw. Dalawang puntos po ang kalamangan ng Team Tugigaraw ngayon. Nasa kalahati pa lang tayo ng ating first set.
And hopefully after that timeout, maka-adjust ang libero and make a good reception for Team Kamalanyugan.
Or if not, somebody should cover the reception of the ball coming from Team Tugigaraw.
Yes, now I guess Labe will do that for the libero.
And she changes the target. Another service ace.
Yes, for Gavino. Now targeting Litawa of Team Kamalanyugan. Again, no one can stop the serve coming from Gavino.
Napakabigat ng service.
Kanina, Tugigaraw City is down by 3. Pero ngayon, they are up by 5. An 8-0 run.
Yes.
Coming from that, and service error now is committed by Gavino.
Makakahinga ng konti ang Team Kamalanyugan. Let's see kung paano nila hahabulin yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng Tugigaraw.
Gavino setting up to Ataban. And Ataban pointing that zone 5 of Team Kamalanyugan. Nice pick up there by Javier Malana with that off-speed attack. Ataban with that hit. Pero hindi naka-position ng maayos si Antonio sa palong yon ni Ataban.
And I think while Myra is at the back line of Tugigaraw City, Kamalanyugan should stop sending attacks on that line kasi sobrang ganda ng depensa ng likod nila. As I've mentioned, great cover there coming from Myra and a drop ball coming from De Leon. And the point for Tuguegarao City.
Again, another service ace for Team Tuguegarao City. Always targeting the hands of the libero.
Kanina naghahabol sila ng puntos. Now they're down to the last 3 points to win this set. You're still watching the match between Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao City. Next up is Claveria versus Alcala. Home court advantage ba ng Alcala? Or will Claveria dominate the next match? Shout out daw kay Ivan Pelovelio, sabi ni Mang Kiko. Tuguegarao City, lamang po ng 8 puntos. 22 serving 14.
Now back to the ball game. Another poor reception coming from the libero of Team Camalaniugan. De Leon will receive that ball. Ataban. Now she's asking it again. Ayan, nahawakan po ng buhok ni Gavino ang net, and a point will be given to Team Camalaniugan. Malana on that off the block hit.
No coverage there coming from Camalaniugan, and we're now on our warning point. 23 serving 15.
Grabe yung power ng jump serve coming from Ataban.
Set point for Tuguegarao City.
And ilang taon na po si Ataban ngayon, Sir Josh?
I think Shane is 17.
Youngster, pero that kind of power, pwede ng pang pro si Ataban. And now that ends our first set, won by Team Tuguegarao City. 25-15 is our score.
Ayan, hinabol ng Tuguegarao City ang kalamangan kanina ng Camalaniugan against them during the first set. And they upped their offense, and yung defense nila maintain lang nila, especially when Javier is at the back of the line. For Team Camalaniugan naman, they have shown a good offense during the beginning of the first set. Pero medyo nabasa na ng Team Tuguegarao yung mga atake nila on the later part of the game. And if Team Camalaniugan would like to force a third set against Team Tuguegarao, they need to really up their defense now, especially that most of the time, tatlo yung attacker ng Tuguegarao City in front, and they have a great defense at the back of the line. Pero katulad nga na sinasabi natin lagi, bilog po ang bola at first set pa lang po ang natatapos. Team Camalaniugan can still win the second set and force this match to a third set. At dahil dyan, balikan po natin ang ating mga live viewers. Andyan po si Sir Wilson Pader. Hello Sir Wilson. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa ating Apong League. Of course, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsor, Kuya Daniel.
And thanking our sponsors for this league. we have thank you to Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, the founder of the Apong League. And also to Mayor of Pamplona, Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio. To Attorney Cristina I. Antonio, the Municipal Mayor of Alcala. And also to the Director of this league, Ma'am Criselda I. Antonio. And for our live coverage, powered by SMS Smarter Multimedia Services, the #1 live coverage service here in our region. And now we will start our set #2 of this match between Team Tuguegarao City and Team Camalaniugan.
Tingnan natin kung paano mag-a-adjust ang Team Camalaniugan sa opensa at depensa ang pinapakita ng Team Tuguegarao City.
And I think it all starts with the defense. And kailangan patibayin ng Team Camalaniugan ang kanilang first ball or reception dahil dun sila nakuha ng Team Tuguegarao City.
Service ace after service ace ang pinakita ng Tuguegarao City during the first set. Let's see how Team Camalaniugan will adjust sa reception nila.
And now Javier to start set #2 of the match. Nice serve there coming from Javier. A chance ball will be given to Team Tuguegarao City. Ataban with that down the line hit. And a point for Team Tuguegarao City. Muntikan nang nakuha si Labe with that powerful spike coming from Ataban. And Javier still continue with that serve with the help of the net. And a point for Team Tuguegarao City. 2 serving 0. Again, same with set #1. Grabe ang mga services coming from Team Tuguegarao City. And now,
70% yata ng training nila service.
wow. Grabe. Ngayon, pinalitan na ang libero ng Team Camalaniugan. But that will give a point to Team Camalaniugan with that service error coming from Javier. Antonio to serve. Nice reception there from the libero. A chance ball. And off system play coming from that.
Powerful attack there
By jersey #4.
of the blocker's hand. Kevin now on the service line.
Ayan, nalito si jersey #15, the libero of Team Tuguegarao City. If kukunin niya ba yung push na yon coming from Viloria. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. And on deck to serve, we have Labao, jersey #18. And that is a service error coming from Team Camalaniugan.
Karangian of Tuguegarao City now on the service line. 5 serving 3. Too much power from the service line. That will be a free point for Team Camalaniugan. Miscommunication there from Javier and De Leon.
And on deck to serve now is the team captain. Again, too much error in the start of set number 2 for Team Camalaniugan. And now Ataban will try the jump serve. And she does it. Ataban with that service ace. 7-5 is our score. Again, nakikita na nga po natin, Sir Josh, 70% ng training ng
Service talaga, oo.
Team to
And it's
Gigaraw.
really important, especially during crucial part of the game,
Yes.
that you have a good service. Another jump serve.
Found the hole at zone 5 of Team Camalaniugan. And a service ace is like a free point for the team. And again, a service ace party for Team Tugigaraw City.
Batiin lang natin si Kuya MG Abelia at si Ashby who's watching us right now.
And what a lucky point there for Team Camalaniugan.
But that continuous service ace is still a big deal for Camalaniugan to catch up on. Medyo nagkagulo dun sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. Bringing Hamby Araw to the service line. 11 serving 6.
Again, service ace for Team Tugigaraw City. And now they are up by 12. Serving 6 is our score. Araw with that heavy serve. And tuwang-tuwa ang mga coaches ng Team Tugigaraw City dahil nagbunga kanilang mga trainings on that service area.
Sabi nga ni Dine Mark Pintagoba Ramirez, ang lakas daw ni Shane Ataban. Ayan, sabi rin ni Mark Angelo Pascua Cabildo, go Shane, sabi niya. Nanonood din yung setter ng Tugigaraw men's volleyball team, si Leaf, at yung 4 nila si Mark Aldre Galindon. I think talaga 60% ng training ni na Coach June at Coach Lin is service. Gavino fire, sabi ni Jake Gario, and Tugigaraw City is on fire. Like they're a festival with this match against Camalaniugan. Trivia lang, Daniel, alam mo bang sabay ang piyesta ng Camalaniugan at Tugigaraw City? They have the same patron saint.
Ooh.
Parehong
Kailan
August
po yun?
16
August 16.
ang fiesta ng dalawang
Saint
bayan
Roch?
na to.
Saint Roch po?
Saint Peter.
Oh, Saint Peter.
Ay, no, Saint Hyacinth. Saint Hyacinth
Saint Hyacinth.
of Poland.
Ayan, Araw is on deck to serve. Labe. And almost a miscue there for Team Tugigaraw City.
Great adjustment though.
De Leon.
De Leon. And she celebrates that attack.
Yes. Medyo mataas daw yung set for De Leon. Pero nakapag-adjust naman po na maayos si De Leon with that. And again, a heavy serve from Araw. And a point again for Team Tuguegarao City. 15-6 is our score.
Reception error again coming from Kamalanyugan. Arrow still on the service line. Tuguegarao City with a 10-point lead. Tatapusin ba nila to ng service? Great reception there coming from Kamalanyugan. And the net touch violation from Kamalanyugan, giving a free point for Tuguegarao City. Great intention though coming from Kamalanyugan. I think Kamalanyugan adjusted to the services of Tuguegarao City.
And Labe with that cross-court attack. And a good point now for Team Kamalanyugan to restart this set number 2. Nice serve coming from Gumarang. De Leon is dug up. Jaws on the net. Pinalo ni Javier. And a point for Team Tuguegarao City.
De Leon now on the service line.
And De Leon with that service error. A free point for Team Kamalanyugan. 8-18 is our score. Nice reception there coming from Ataban. And bumalik sa Team Kamalanyugan. Back row attack for Ataban is good. And a nice placement on that hit for Ataban para pumunta na siya in the front line. Now a free ball. Guy kay Gavino. And what a surprise, even the setter can make a point for a team. And Gavino with that attack. And now to serve, we have jersey number 14, Villena of Team Tuguegarao. Another heavy serve coming off the bench, and a dig coming from Villena. Gavino with that drop shot na huli ni Viloria.
Nice defense coming from Kamalanyugan. Quick response from that nice attack coming from Tuguegarao. Service ace. Ginagantihan ng Kamalanyugan ng Tuguegarao City.
And Araw now will be the setter for Team Tuguegarao City. Out of system play. Back set to Gavino, the lefty. And that ball sails out for Gavino. Ataban with that attack error. And binibigyan pa po ng tsansa ng Team Tuguegarao City. Kamalanyugan. Ataban with that approach. And a powerful hit coming from Ataban through the hands of the blocker. Now our score is 21-12. Nice serve there coming from Gavino. And a push by Viloria sa gitna Karangyan with that drop shot. And miscommunication there. Nakabantay na ang libero ng Team Camalaniugan on that drop shot.
Pero I think what Lab is doing is trying to cover yung libero nila because of the errors that she's been committing during the reception. 3 points na lang kailangan ng Tuguegarao City to win this match.
Down the line hit, dug up by the libero, Ataban. Karangyan in the middle, dug up by Labe. And Litawa. Gavino pushes that ball for and an overset coming from Labao. Hindi na naabot ni Viloria ang set na iyon. And now, Tuguegarao City is on warning point. 23-12 is our score. And now, serving for their match point, we have jersey number 11, Gavino. A poor reception coming from the libero. Ataban for the win. Pick up by the libero. Gavino to Araw. Nice dig there. Nice effort for Team Camalaniugan. And Gavino will give it to Ataban. With down the line hit. And Team Tuguegarao City won this match against Team Camalaniugan. 25-12 is our score in this second set.
Puro straight sets yung mga laro natin ngayong umaga.